All these stocks have gotten major upgrades from brokerages, and the target price increase has been phenomenal on some of them. So when you look at the list of the highest increase in target prices, Gabriel India, Laurus Labs, 197 Communications, which is Paytm, Allied Blenders, and Cinema HGS top that list. But when you look at each of these counters, what's actually worked for them in 2025 and what is the outlook for 2026 if this highest share price target continues, will be something to watch. So a major corporate restructuring which happened, the unlisted entities of Anand Group got merged into Gabriel India and gave a major earnings fillip to this particular counter, and that is expected to sustain with the growth momentum of newer businesses like the sunroof business amongst others over the next few years. So that is a key outlook for Gabriel India. When you look at the next stock, which is Laurus Labs, the strong momentum in CDMO segment, which has been growing by 50% on a YOY basis, is a major trigger this year. We also had the Biosecure Act today, which was a key segment and a key win for Laurus Labs as well. Late phase as well as commercial deliveries in small molecules will be the other key factor that has worked for the counter. And they are looking to increase the share of revenue from 31% to 50% for the CDMO business in the near future. When you look at the third key counter, that's Paytm, the business model has gone through a radical shift for this particular company, and that's been one of the biggest positive triggers post the RBI approval also coming in as well. They have also divested non-core assets in this year, which has given them 2,000 crores for the entertainment business, while credit on UPI and RuPay credit card will be a fundamental growth factor. Allied Blenders is another key success story, fifth consecutive quarter of profits reporting post its listing. While the realization has improved, the premiumization has worked for the company in this year. Over the next couple of years, they have huge targets of exports to 35 countries by quarter 4 FY26, a million cases in Africa by FY28 and finally Cinema. It's a very opportune time to talk about this EMS player. While all others have had a tough year largely based between October and December, this company has continued to deliver 30% growth momentum in this year. Share of the low-margin consumer business has reduced to 30% now from almost 40 to 45%, which has given the margins a big boost. They are expecting the printed circuit board business to lead the momentum as well. But there are some counters which have not done well in this year in terms of share price decrease as well. If you can pull up that slide very quickly and probably can get back to that in just a bit. But these are largely the top 5 increases in the share prices in this year and the outlook for each one of them.
Got it. All right. And we'll talk about the ones that have seen the biggest cut in target price on another day.